coming onto the grounds. Isn't this a pretty entrance? Look at this. Oh my goodness, look at this place. Wow, this is truly an American castle. I have never seen anything like this. Look at the detail on the side of this building. I'm awed before I even get in the door. Let's go. Man, I love this place. I am absolutely speechless. Kind of spooky. Stone corridor, look at this. Huh, this is actually part of the foundation. They had a party down in the basement and they invited the guests to actually paint on the walls. Plus they have an exhibit that details exactly how it was built and what it cost, the different phases, how many contractors. I mean, it was pretty remarkable. They have an indoor swimming pool in the basement. Wouldn't this have been something? They even have a gym in their basement. And they say it has everything in here you would need. Look against the wall, it has showers and a place you can weigh yourself. Pretty impressive. Hobo Joe is here. The whole thing is European. Music, everything. It's like a big step back into time. Well, let's head to the Arboretum. That's supposed to be really incredible. Wow, they were right. This is really beautiful back in here. I've never seen so many plants in one place. Look at the colors and the variety. It's hot in here though. Coming into what's supposed to be the cool house. To be honest with you, it's not much cooler. It's worth it anyway. I mean, look at the colors and the different types of plants there are back in here. I am just really awed. Look at how gorgeous and how brilliant these pinks are. And these huge palm trees and ferns and oh my goodness, this is just something. This is the Azalea Trail. This is absolutely spectacular. I mean, look at these bushes. Full bloom. I really like coming here today. It's a beautiful day out. It's a beautiful day to go for a walk and look at this place. Isn't this gorgeous out here? Definitely worth the price of admission.